Hi guys, Jessie here. Welcome back to a vlog video. I've been getting requests for vlogs right and left. I know it's been a while since I filmed one. Things have been pretty boring around these here parts, so there hasn't been a lot to share with you, but we have sort of a busy day today. Kids had a half day of school. I'm actually waiting on Austin to walk in the door right now, and then we're gonna go run some errands. So we're gonna take you guys along with us. We got parent-teacher conferences later, so lots of stuff to do. A little bit more interesting than me just sitting around my house. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. We're gonna get some groceries, do a few odds and ends and things, take the boys with me so you guys will see them a little bit. So yeah, I thought it would be a good day to share with you guys. It's Wednesday. It's frigid cold outside, although they say that spring type weather is coming, so we'll see about that. I think it's going to be a low of like 12 today, but I think a high of 45 or something this weekend, so hopefully that's the sign of better things to come because I am so over this winter. But we're going to go head out here in just a few minutes, and of course I'll bring you guys along with me, so let's go. Alright, so we stopped at Taco Bell for lunch so that we're not grocery shopping hungry. Say hi, guys. Alright, so we're getting ready to go into Aldi. I haven't been in Aldi in weeks because we've been doing the, ooh, it's bright, the Walmart grocery pickup, but since we were out and about today, it didn't really make sense to do that. We'll just go in and get groceries, hopefully get some good deals. I've got my list here somewhere. It's a long list this week, so hopefully we can stick to the budget, especially with the boys with me because they tend to get the gimmies while we're in the stores. So hopefully we can stick to the list, get what we gotta get. I need my quarter. I love this little quarter keeper that I got from Aldi here. Yeah, it holds the quarter, so I always have a quarter for the cart. You guys grab the grocery bags and we're gonna go. Sure. We're waiting on Robbie. He's trying on pants for a dance he's got next week.
We got donuts.
Inchkies. We always wait until the next day and get them on sale. Otherwise they're $4 a box. Oh, here he comes. Come here. Alright, I'll put the camera away. Come here. Alright, you guys, so it's 5:30 now. Those parent-teacher conferences took way longer than I thought. We got there at 3:30. But everything went well. Nothing too terrible was reported by his teachers. Say hi, buddy.
I'm eating a lot.
He's having a snack, and then we're going to go into Dollar Tree. We got to pick up a few things he needs for a school project and a few household things, and then we're going to go home and try to come up with something for dinner. I expected to be home a lot sooner than this, so I think what I have for dinner might have to be pushed off until tomorrow because it takes a little bit longer to prepare. So we're going to see what we can come up with. Hopefully we're not in Dollar Tree for 3 hours. Here we go. Alright, you guys. I'm getting ready to put dinner in my pressure cooker here. I love my pressure cooker. So I'm just going to throw some chicken in with some salsa and get that cooking up. We're going to have some chicken burrito bowls. I'm so excited about this. Alright, so in my pressure cooker here, I have 2 pretty large chicken breasts, some taco seasoning, and 3/4 of a jar of medium salsa. I also added half a cup of water in there because the salsa was pretty thick and I want to make sure that the pressure cooker can come up in pressure. So I'm just going to get the lid on here. And we're going to set it to, let's see, what do we want to set it for? Manual for 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Let's start with 20 minutes. There we go. And start. Alright, so once that comes up in pressure, it will heat up and cook for 20 minutes. And then provided that it's done, I'm going to shred it up and serve it with some lettuce and cheese and tomato. And we'll do some burrito bowls. It's going to be so yummy. Alright, so here's a look at dinner. It doesn't look all that pretty. I could have just displayed it a lot prettier, but I'm just going to eat it, so why, right? It is iceberg lettuce, my chicken that came out of the pressure cooker perfectly. I have refried beans, black beans, corn, black olives. I'm going to add some salsa and some sour cream to this. Of course, there's tomatoes for those in the family that enjoy it. And that's our dinner. And it looks like we're going to have a ton of leftovers, which is going to make for great lunches for the week. Alright, you guys, so since I went and did my grocery shopping today, I am just going through and updating my budget. So I know that I went and got gas, so I put in what I put in the gas tank. I put $26.50 in my gas tank. And typically we take the $50 that I budget each week for gas and I put whatever's left in our little gas fund. So technically it would have been, what, $24.50 or $23.50? But we just decided to go ahead and put $25 in our gas fund. So we're going to be a little bit over for our budget for gas this week, which is fine. Also went a little bit over in groceries, which is a bummer, but it's because I went to Dollar Tree and spent a bunch of money. So this was my gas receipt. I'm done with that. At Walmart, I had a few transactions, most of which were grocery and household related, but I did buy some clothing for my guys, so that comes out of a sinking fund in yellow, and then I bought myself a mascara, which I typically would have spent my cash on, but rather than making multiple transactions, I'm just going to put the money back in the bank, but all I have is a 10, so I'm going to have to get change when I go to the bank. So $5.84 or $6 will go in the bank to cover my spending, so when you subtract the sinking fund money and the cash from my Walmart total, it says that I spent $45.24 at Walmart. I spent $75.94 at Aldi. I took the kids to Taco Bell for lunch, which is here, and that total was $13.52. So that's going to come out of our eating out money. You can see here I wrote down the clothing for the sinking funds. And then at Dollar Tree, I spent $18.04. So I need to add up my grocery total for my weekly check-in. But I'm definitely over. I think it's going to be somewhere around $135, just estimating. So that sucks, but I got a lot of good stuff. So it is what it is. But now that my budget is updated, I can finally relax. It is 7:35, and I'm just now kind of sitting down for the first time since this morning. It's been a very long and busy day, but a productive one. So Eric just left to go to work. He's unfortunately on call this week and got called in, so you guys won't get a chance to see him. I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. It wasn't super long, I don't think. I don't think I got as much footage as I anticipated, but hopefully you guys liked it nonetheless. You've been asking for vlogs, so I wanted to oblige you. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you guys have been up to. I feel like I haven't chatted with you guys in a while. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!